Hello all, Emmerich's back. Today in this video I'm going to debadge my boot of the C350 and the CDI badge here. Well, I've seen people doing it with something like dental floss or fishing tackle, and it seems to be a relatively easy job. Basically, if you do run into difficulties, you can use a hairdryer to heat the glue or the tape up, whatever's behind, which will ease it up. But I've just had a look at this C350 and there's a little bit of movement just by, only slightly, by twisting it, so I'm hoping that the floss will do the job. But these have never been taken off the car. It's an 8-year-old car now, 2013, and I basically want to take them off because I wanted to start blacking up the chrome, because I'm doing a black in white theme at the moment, and also from what I hear it just looks like a cleaner finish when you just remove those badges. So let's get on with it and see how easy it is really to take off these badges using the method they mention. It seems to run around the back reasonably easy. Oh, that snapped off, great. Might need some decent floss, and they just basically create friction . Wow, that was just incredibly simple. Hardly any effort. You don't put too much tension on, and I just think the heat of the floss going backwards and forwards just creates enough heat to easily take it off. But that was unbelievably simple. You'd have thought it would have been much more difficult to take these lettering off, wouldn't you? But hey, let's get on with the others. You can see, look, they're quite solid originally, and wow, there you go, look. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Wow, how about that then? That was so easy. Quite enjoyable job to do, actually. Yeah, anyway, now it's a matter of using one of these little plasticky tool thingies, and or just your nail maybe, just to sort of scrape the initial glue residue off, and then it'll be back to the little bit of alcohol spray. But let's see what, let's go back to the C350 side and see how easy it is to actually get this glue off. Well, that's the majority of the top layer of glue off, which was effortless with one of these little tools. So if you're going to have to really struggle and scrape, you don't want to really, because you might end up scratching the white, you know, your paint, whatever your paint is, the colour of your paint, and I'm not willing to do that. Now what I'm going to do is literally use the alcohol scrub and see how easy it is just to remove the rest of the dirty residue. Let's get on to it and see how we get on. Wow, check that out. That didn't take long at all. Just 2 or 3 minutes. Wow, less than that. Right, let me get on to the other side, the CDI part, which is the same process, and I'll clean it up and we'll see what it looks like when I'm finished, I won't show you video that side of it because obviously there's no need to, but I'll be right back when I've done both sides. Catch you in a bit. Well, there you have it, totally debadged apart from the main emblem. I've actually got a video I've just created on installing that, replacing that emblem. That was a mirror of a job, so check that out, that video, if you're thinking about taking that emblem off to replace it with something like a black one or a new one, because that is a right mirror, as you'll find out if you watch my video. But there you go, I'm quite happy with that. It looks very clean, very tidy.